Hello friends, my name is Mohammed Aayan, age 14 years. Today I would like to show you my new project, the demo of my new project, Virtual Mouse, which I developed using Python language. Before I show you the demo on desktop, I would like to explain how it works. So, if you want to move the cursor, you have to use the index finger like this. And if you want to left click, you have to join the index finger with the middle finger like this. And if you want to right click, you have to join the index finger with the middle finger and also raise your small finger like this. And if you want to left double click, then you have to raise your index finger and raise your thumb outwards like this. And if you want to scroll, you have to join an index finger with your middle finger and raise your thumb outwards. It will scroll downwards. And if you want to scroll upwards, you have to use the same procedure, and also along with that, you have to raise your small finger. That will scroll upwards. And if you want to quit, you have to press Q on the keyboard. Okay friends, now let's see the demo of all these things on computer. Okay, now let's remind this window by using our left input. Let's go there, here, and minimize. Okay, now let's open our browser using a double click method. Now here, and now yes. Now let's magnify this window by using the left click. Now let's execute it. Now let us scroll upwards and downwards like this, and upwards like this, upwards, downwards, and upwards like this. Now let's open the video. Go up. Now let's open the video like this.
So before getting into the details,
Now let's pause the video.
please like this video.
Now let's full screen by using the left cursor
So
like this. And now let's scroll down like this. See the comments. And now let's go upwards. Upwards and downwards. Now let's on. Now let's on this video again.
to start with this amazing project, first you need to
Now
install
let's pause it and then
Python code editor and
so let's go back to usual and go the back. Okay, I hope you like the tutorial.